rich and creamy, loaded with lots of fresh veggies. Today, I bring to you Veg Nizami Handi. Beginning with the makhani gravy, in a heated pan, I am taking 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil heats, add 1 bay leaf. Next, add in 3 tomatoes chopped, 1 inch ginger, 3 garlic cloves, 8 to 10 cashews. I had pre-chopped, you can use the whole ones too. 2 green chilies and 1 pinch of salt. Now I am adding around 2 cups of water. Once the water comes to a boil, close the lid and let it cook on medium flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's open the lid now. The tomatoes have turned mushy. Time to bring it off the flame. Let this cool down and grind into a paste. Our makhani gravy will be ready. To prepare the veggies for the Nizami Handi, I have taken 2 to 3 cups of water. To this, I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric and salt each. When the water comes to a rolling boil, I am adding 1 medium cauliflower or gobi cut into florets. Close the lid and let this boil on a high flame for 5 minutes. Now, I am adding 8 to 10 French beans chopped, 1 carrot chopped, half a cup of green peas, 1 cup of spinach leaves chopped. Stir and let the veggies cook for 3 to 4 minutes. The veggies are cooked. Strain them before we move on and put together the curry. Let's put together the curry now. In a heated kadhai, I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Into this, half a teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 bay leaf, 2 black cardamom pods, 2 to 3 green cardamom pods, 1 inch cinnamon stick. Let's cook the whole spices on low flame for half a minute. Time to add 4 onions chopped. Let's saute the onions for a minute. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix this in. Next, add 4 finely chopped tomatoes. Stir this in. I am closing the lid for the tomatoes to soften up quickly. The tomatoes have softened. Let's add the spices now. 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, salt to taste. Mix in the spices. Now, I am adding around 1/4 cup of water. We will let this cook on medium to low flame until the oil separates from the gravy. Time to add the makhani gravy we had made. Mix this in. Add some water. Close the lid and we will let this cook for 2 minutes for all the flavors to blend together. Time to add the vegetables we had boiled and strained. Further, I am adding around 1 cup of water. We will let this cook for another 3 to 4 minutes to let all the flavors blend into the veggies. Time to check on the gravy. At this stage, add around half a cup of fresh cream and mix. Lastly, 1 teaspoon of dried and crushed kasuri methi. Mix and this is ready. Serve this hot with roti or naan. Chances are high that your regular count of rotis won't be enough. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.